Antihypertension. Drugs used in the treatment of high blood pressure, hypertension, are called antihypertensive drugs. These drugs act by reducing the cardiac output and reducing the total peripheral resistance. Hypertension. A disease characterized by abnormal high blood pressure. Normal blood pressure, 80 by 120 mmHg. Two types of hypertension. Primary hypertension, where exact cause is not known. Secondary hypertension, which occur due to medical condition or other renal endocrine disease. Classification. ACE inhibitors, enalapril, lisinopril, captopril, ramipril. Angiotensin receptor blockers, losartan, telmisartan, valsartan. Beta adrenergic blockers, propranolol, metoprolol, bisoprolol. Central sympatholitics, methyldopa, clonidine. Calcium channel blockers, amlodipine, felodipine, nifedipine, diltiazem. Diuretics. High ceiling diuretics, furosemide, bumetamide. Thiazide, hydrochlorothiazide, merilazone. Potassium-sparing diuretics, spironolactone. Alpha-adrenergic blockers. Prazosin, doxazosin, pentolamine. Alpha-beta blockers, labetalol, carvedilol. ACE inhibitors. Examples, enalapril, lisinopril, captopril, ramipril. Mechanism. Bind to angiotensin-converting enzyme, ACE. Inhibit conversion of angiotensin I to angiotensin II. Decrease angiotensin II levels. Reduce vasoconstriction. Decrease peripheral resistance. Increase vasodilation. Decrease blood pressure. Angiotensin receptor blockers. Examples, losartan, telmisartan, valsartan. Mechanism. Bind to angiotensin II receptors at two receptors. Block angiotensin II binding to receptors. Inhibit vasoconstriction. Decrease peripheral resistance. Increase vasodilation. Decrease aldosterone release. Decrease blood pressure. Beta adrenergic blockers. Examples, propranolol, metoprolol, bisoprolol. Mechanism. Bind to beta-1 adrenergic receptors in the heart. Block epinephrine and norepinephrine binding to receptors. Decrease heart rate. Decrease contractility. Reduce cardiac output. Decrease renin release. Decrease angiotensin II levels. Decrease peripheral resistance. Decrease blood pressure. Central sympatholitics. Examples, methyldopa, clonidine. Mechanism. Cross the blood-brain barrier. Stimulate alpha-2 adrenergic receptors in the brainstem. Decrease sympathetic nervous system activity. Reduce norepinephrine release. Decrease heart rate. Decrease contractility. Reduce peripheral resistance. Decrease blood pressure. Calcium channel blockers. Examples, amlodipine, felodipine, nifedipine, diltiazem. Mechanism. Bind to L-type calcium channels in smooth muscle cells. Block calcium ion influx. Relax vascular smooth muscle. Decrease peripheral resistance. Increase vasodilation. Decrease blood pressure.